In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate effectively through your financial dashboard to gain better insights into your personal or business finances. Let's dive right in and simplify how you can stay on top of your financial game. When you first open your dashboard, you're greeted with an overview. This central hub is designed to give you a snapshot of your financial health at a glance. Think of it as your financial command center. Here you can view key elements such as income, expenses, invoices, and your connected bank accounts all in one place. It's an efficient way to see the big picture without getting bogged down in details just yet. Focusing first on your income, this section will provide a summary of the money coming in. You'll find details about recent transactions and totals, which are vital for understanding your revenue streams. Monitoring this regularly ensures you have a clear idea of your earnings, helping you make informed decisions about your spending and saving strategies. Moving on to expenses, this part of the dashboard breaks down where your money is going. Keeping track of your expenses is crucial for budgeting and identifying areas where you may need to cut back. You'll likely find categories here that show how much you're spending on utilities, rent, entertainment, and other regular expenses. This insight is invaluable for crafting a financial plan that keeps you on track. Next, the invoices section is where you can see pending, paid, and overdue invoices if applicable. This is particularly useful for freelancers and businesses, ensuring you're up to date with who has paid and who still owes. By keeping a close eye on these, you can manage cash flow more effectively, avoiding any unexpected financial strain. The bank accounts section links directly to your connected accounts, providing real-time updates on your balances. This feature saves you the hassle of logging into each bank account separately, giving you an overall financial status at a glance. Here, you can verify that your finances are balanced and monitor for any unusual activities. Now, let's talk about exploring further with the left menu. This menu is your gateway to more specific features beyond the high-level overview. It allows you to delve deeper into individual sectors, like detailed expense reports, income analyses, or specific bank account inquiries. Simply click on the section that interests you, and you'll be directed to more focused data and tools. By using the dashboard in conjunction with the left menu, you can maintain a comprehensive understanding of your financial situation. Regularly engaging with these tools equips you with the knowledge needed to make smarter, more informed decisions, whether it's saving for a big purchase, planning for tax season, or simply ensuring you're on track with your financial goals. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, with a well-managed dashboard, the power of financial clarity is in your hands.